Previously on Spanish Town Crew.
Oh yeah, the man bad man. Come at the girl and run ahead, brother.
Girl, yo butcher. No bother with the fuck talking about man.
Butcher, vicious. The man is done for that now,
I call a meeting. Come on and save the community under one umbrella.
What kind of one umbrella you tell boy it is?
So when the meeting I call, if you not show your face, you depend on your own.
Yo, you know this now, right, brother?
Brother, you move like a bug, son. You bug out of one thing, so brother.
Yo, you hear me, brother? Me say me now, do this. Brother, peace the man them a pray, you know.
Peace, I say. Peace is me I put you in.
So respect to the eye them.
What's up? There you take some vitamins from the store, you know? So you tell me say the fall about this area? I say go, you know? Hope you do good today, yeah? Alright, Marissa.
So here I go on. Now I want you to pick me up back. Give me about an hour and 20 minutes. But pick me back up over ranking. Yeah. Go on, butcher.
King man, go on.
Yeah, alright, my Jenna. You look like you're in a pain, sir.
Good in a king. They do some light exercise, you know?
No, my lad. It's too early for that. Give yourself some time, man.
King man, feel handicapped, King man. Right now, if I follow my feel, I need to come out of bed right now, King man. That's what you need to know, you know.
Brother, no other time for that. A rest you need, you know. And that your body, I tell you. But if you feel like I'm tired, and you're tired, brother, your body will recover from a serious injury. You overs?
True, you know. So where are you going, King man?
You want to see? You said me come link, you know. Find out how you feel.
Feel like I get a fat shot of you.
Well, at least you still have your sense of humor.
I'm going to lose my 3 points either.
I'm overjoyed for know say you're still in the land of the living, my brother.
If you tell a King man.
Yo, still in it. You give me a wicked scare, you know, bro, fam.
No, like a King man. You think so I hate this. By the time I start feel cold. I start seeing my friend them face. Start remember work when I want to put out. Couldn't check out like that, brother.
Who responsible for this, butcher? You really never see the shooter.
The king man, I mess up wicked, brother.
You know who? Somebody where you did involved with?
So when Miss Bissett and Whisper did circle the block and clean up the block king man. Now I tell you like, I did feel too empty and bit. You'd have to try to get something.
So you gonna make a deal with the devil?
Yeah, they said me go to hell.
How, Butcher?
See me out to cause a jump off over 21.
The new face where did they about the place?
Him name Siva.
Siva. Oh, Butcher, you know this can't go unanswered door. We have to fix things.
No king man. I don't want no retaliation right now.
What you talking about? What really go on, Butcher? Talk to me.
No, the two of them go one day to do some work. See somebody just up like a mad woman. I'm approaching somebody. Somebody pop off from me.
What you said? And I saw that boy they are brave.
Oh man, a desperation man. And they look somewhere for lay low.
Oh. So I saw the link made between you and him.
You know what I tell him some would make him lay up on the block. But he would have forgiven me too much him king.
Cha. No, Butcher, the wrong move that.
That me there pay for right now. That's why I'm saying I want a retaliation right now.